Hey page builder friends. Today we're gonna give you a great business idea to start your own e-commerce project in 2022. We from PBT love doing e-commerce and we really want to share our ideas with you. And hey, normally, you only get these business ideas in the pbtPLUS VIP membership. So we hope you enjoy, and let's start by checking the idea first. This business idea is brand new, and if you start doing it, you will be able to be a pioneer and grow fast. So what I'm talking about is Birthflowers as a personalized present for friends and family members that gave birth. This topic has been trending over the past months, and we found a really nice niche to put hands on. You never heard about Birthflowers? No problem at all, let's check what I'm talking about. It's all about the question, what star sign is your child, but now it relates to what flower is it? That sounds interesting, doesn't it? Well, women love flowers, and the idea of revealing the meaning of the flowers for their baby, related to the month they were born in, is great. Google Trends and the Etsy platform recognize an immense increase in search volume for these terms by 69%. But also, if you are not from the US, you could go to a local flower shop and ask them to produce these flower bouquets on demand for you. Not only that, if you grow fast, you could easily make this business international. Look at all the countries this shop sells to. They do it because the market there is profitable. We are sure, if you go deep, you can find easily a local flower store in every country that is listed here. And if you are really smart, you already have some ideas for more customizing these flower bouquets. There is also one more great point to mention about this business idea. In e-commerce, you are always afraid of returned goods. The rate for these products should be close to zero, as these are perishable goods. Okay, I see you took the bait, and now you are asking yourself, how can I start this business without investing big money? Don't worry, we already have you covered. Check this beautiful Elementor template kit we have exclusively created for this business idea. Aha, I can see you smiling now, and I exactly know why. So as you can see, if you already have a website hosting, you could start this business with a minimal invest of $79 and a Stripe account. And if you don't have an idea of website creating, just let us do the job for you by adding our expert services. Be honest, everybody wants a Google page speed score of 90+. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do it. And don't forget, as a pbtPLUS member, you get access to our private Reddit community where you can ask your questions and talk to other heads and experts. That's not all. If you start this business and buy our template, afterwards you get an exclusively discount for the pbtPLUS subscription. To prove that we know what we talk about, we give you another free expert tip for this business idea. You could easily connect your Birthflower store to an Etsy store and offer a great downsell product that you dropship to your customers also via Etsy. Look at this perfect matching Birthflower jewelry. So I guess nothing more to say here. Have fun and see you on the other side of the moon.